I got my bus stuck in the mud and burned up the clutch trying to get it out. I had to go to Johnson City, Tennessee to the H&S Clutch Company to get it rebuilt. It was clear from just looking around the place that these guys have years of experience rebuilding clutches. Nobody here is wanted by the law, so if I get their picture on YouTube, it'll be okay, right? I explain all this over in Whittier. This is a fixture for disassembling the pressure plate.
You mean help you build?
Is that what you did?
Yeah,
Just popped out the rivets and
the real press,
and it just came right out.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome. Now you just got to clean it up.
Clean it up and we'll paint it and reline it.
So when you reline it, you just rivet it back together?
Rivet it on there. Let's mark it real quick. That one here. Alright. There we go.
Well, damn, look at all those springs.
You got a few of them there.
I do.
Had 6 of these.
Oh. Those are some sort of spacers or some sort?
Insulator washers.
Insulator washers.
Yes, sir. Oh, great.
What happened?
No, I was just looking at something. Somebody's welded them pins, Bill. I just happened to see that, or maybe that one.
No, this one's welded, and that one's welded, and that one's welded. That ain't no damn good.
You still putting quarter key in the weld.
Mm-hmm.
I guess that's why they invented grinders, right?
Let me see. There's these things there, Bill, when we get that far.
That's not a good thing. Not gonna make that work. Okay.
Hey, Rod.
Alright, that's interesting. That is one shiny flywheel. Perfect. Tell me when you want me to move. This one's got a warp in it, pretty good warp in it.
All right.
Don't be shaking your head like that, that's not good.
That is off. Been hot, ain't it?
It got real hot.